To give you all a little bit of context on what was happening right before I decided to film this video was me, my stressed out self, sitting over there at my computer, staring at my physics homework, going like, oh, what the heck is this? Because I'm just so lost and I need help. I actually need help. But yeah, my smart brain was like, it's time to whip out that camera. It's time to start filming, smiling, and pretending like my physics homework doesn't exist for a good 6 minutes. Sorry about that, just had to get that out here. I'm currently a very stressed mess on the inside, but we're just gonna pretend like I'm not. So, hi, welcome. My name is Caitlin, and I'm so glad that you're here. Today we're going to be doing a DIY fall-inspired pen pal letter for my amazing pen pal, Miss Thatcher. And Miss Thatcher, by the way, if you're watching this and you haven't received my letter yet, watch it later because I want it to be a surprise for you. Make sure to subscribe, leave a comment, and like this video. Let me know what you think because I'm really curious and it makes me so happy to read all of your comments. Watch this video in 180 HD. It makes it a lot better. If you care about the video quality, if you don't, then it doesn't matter. I'd say we should probably get started on the video and I should probably end this before I say something, crazy.
But I can just find the button to end this, which I can't. I'm like doing the wrong side and I can't feel it. Okay, there it is.
Alright, I'm so sorry about how unclear this is. I have an entire video on how to make envelopes in case any of you are extremely confused about what I'm doing here because my stupid self decided to film on a white table until a little later where I got a blue folder. But I'm gonna try to limit my narration or voiceover on this video just because, I feel like I'm too talkative sometimes. And I've decided to stitch the sides down because I think it looks good, but you could also just use tape or glue or virtually anything. To make the envelope a little prettier, I am just gonna go ahead and watercolor some random things onto it. Feel free to watch, this is all just experimentation. Alright, and this is literally the same thing I did before, but I just wanted to make some extras so I could paste it onto random parts of the card, because I think they look cute and, it just sticks with the fall theme. So we're going to stuff them in a Ziploc bag. To create a little greeting card, I'm going to sew together 2 pieces of cardboard. They're really thin and just sew all the way around there to make a little nice border, and for the rest of it I'm basically just experimenting by throwing different parts together, some washi tape, graph paper, and some of the fall leaves that I made. Now is the time for me to use my convincing powers to convince you all. If you don't have a pen pal, you should absolutely get one. It's so much more special than just receiving a text message or something online because it's actually something you can hold and it just feels so much more real.
Guys, I'm filming this again because I keep messing up. So today's shout out goes to Tommy and Leah because they left some really genuine comments for me and they do tons of stuff like lifestyle, beauty, and challenges. And you should totally go check them out. They seem like really genuine, awesome people, and they have tons of content on their channel. So I'm gonna leave the link to their channel in the description box below. Make sure to check it out, and yeah.
To really stick with that, fall theme, I'm going to include some tea bags, just cause, you drink tea during fall. I'm not a huge tea person, but I still like it from time to time. What about you guys? Let me know in the comment section. Of course, in any pen pal letter, you gotta include an actual letter, so here I just did it on a piece of graph paper and closed it off with a piece of washi tape. To spice things up a little more, I'm going to include 3 would you rather questions for Miss Thatcher, and I'm going to leave one in the comment section below for y'all to pick. And be warned, it's going to be pretty difficult, or at least I'm going to try to make it difficult. So make sure to go check it out and let me know what you think. These are like so much fun. I don't know why. Alright, and now you are going to witness me taking a piece of string and tying it randomly around these 3 things and hoping that it'll bundle up all together, but there is really no method for me.